Here I have iPad 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to link or unlink Siri to the home key on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the settings, then go to the Siri and search, and here you have press home for Siri. Enable this feature, enable Siri, and now when you hold down your finger on the home key, Siri enables. And that's it. Aha, okay. So, and you can also disable this feature by removing the slider here. And now Siri won't work anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.